Send me the make, model, and the year of your bike.
It's a 2020 Triumph Street Triple.
How long you been riding?
I've been riding for like a year and a half.
Is this your first bike?
No, my first bike was a Honda Ground.
So this is the second bike?
Yeah.
Good. So from Honda, you went to a Triumph. Big difference, big change. Why a Triumph versus another brand? Did you try it? Were you influenced by somebody else or what?
I sat on it and it felt right and bought it. And you don't see a whole lot of them. And I like that about it. It's a triple, so it's different.
Oh yeah.
The triple sound amazing. You still get a lot of torque, but you also get high RPM power.
Did you buy it brand new?
No, I picked it up
Used? How many miles did it have when you picked it up?
There were 400 miles.
Oh, okay. Did you buy somebody from local or?
I bought it from a dealership up by Baltimore.
Okay. Do you do the service yourself?
I've done everything myself.
You do everything? So you're pretty in tune with the bike. You know how to do oil changes and all that. So you did the mods like the exhaust and all that yourself?
I did the exhaust. I did the frame sliders. I did everything on it pretty much.
You did everything.
Yeah.
I see you got brand new tires too.
Yeah.
You know, you just put them on recently?
Yeah, those went on a week ago.
Yeah. The color scheme, the styling on a Triumph, you can't beat that. I think they've done a really, really good job on the design aspect of the bike.
Yeah.
And with this naked version, it looks really, really nice.
Yeah. The headlights divide people whether they like.
I know. I've interviewed a lot of people and they always tell me that some people love it and some people hate it, kind of a thing, right? Yeah. It looks like this bee or musk. Right, exactly. Yeah. So what's your riding style? What do you like mostly? Like highways, side roads, or what?
I usually try and do as many back roads as possible on this bike. I have a Yamaha Tracer.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Do
you take your significant other with the bike also, or?
She will not ride on the back, but she has 2 bikes of her own.
Oh, she does. Okay. Is she coming today?
I don't think here. She's gonna meet us
at the brewery.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Go ahead. Good. Well, nice meeting you. Awesome bike.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Maybe I'll see her over there. Nice to meet you, sir.